Hey, what's going on? Good morning to you, or whatever time it is that you're watching this. Welcome back to another video. I am back in the truck. Most of you probably don't even know that I went anywhere because I don't do that many trucking vlogs. But I left the company that I was at for many years to go somewhere else, thinking that would be better, and it was a nightmare. But I don't want to get into all that right now. The point is that I'm back at the original company that I left. I was here 4.5 years when I left, and now I'm back, and I'm very excited to be back. So I just got all of my stuff here in the truck. It is almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I got everything in my truck. I got groceries in here, soda, water, everything I might need for this road trip. This truck is a Kenworth t680 2021. And this is what I'm in for the meantime. It's semi-temporary, so I don't know how long I'm going to be in this truck. The company is working on buying some more trucks, and then it sounds like I'll probably be moved over to one of them at some point, but I just drive whatever they want me to drive, you know what I mean? So we'll see what happens with that. But for the meantime, this is the truck I'm in. I've been working on getting it set up, but I don't have a lot of time this morning because I do need to get on the road, so I'm going to wait until I pull over tonight, and I'll make the bed and work on the back and all that stuff. Well, this is what I got set up so far. Of course, I've got to have Michael Myers. He's got to go with me, right? I went and got some new carpets for the floor. These are really nice. I like having carpets on the floor. And of course I've got my flags up. Truck doesn't move until the flags are up. So, and I am really big on keeping the truck extremely clean and smelling really nice. So I did pick up some of these. I'm always looking for some way to keep the truck smelling amazing. Because you know, you can buy the any of the auto stuff that they make, the clip on the vents or the trees that you can hang up. They don't last very long. So I turned to stuff like this that's made for your home. And these, of course, 97 cents. I found these work really good to use in your vehicle. You just open these up and stick them in your cup holder, and I use these a lot, and keeps the vehicle smelling good for a long time. Yeah, of course I got some sprays. It is that time of the year for pumpkin and apple. Alright, gotta do the pre-trip. I wasn't gonna film that because that's boring, but what the heck. Gotta check, make sure everything's good with the truck. Make sure all the tires are good, lights are working, etc, etc. Give the tires a little kick, you know. It's a pretty new trailer, so alright, now that we got the truck looking and smelling amazing, it is time to get on the road. I'm running out of time. It's about 3:17. My goal was to get on the road by 3:30, so let's see where am I headed again? Some weird town I've never heard of. Hardinsburg, Kentucky, that is where we're headed. It's about 6 hours away from where I am right now, so let's rock and roll. Alright, I've got the camera mounted up with the ultra wide lens so you can see all of this, everything that's going on. You can watch me drive for a little bit. We're just outside of Columbus, Indiana at a rest area. Just pulled over real quick. Getting ready to get back on the road.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-65 South.
One thing you'll notice that's different about this truck is there's no gear shift here. It's taking quite a bit to get used to. It keeps throwing me off. It takes a lot to get used to that. I'm not used to driving an automatic truck. I keep reaching for the clutch. There's no clutch there because it's automatic, obviously. So I do really like all the extra room that's in here by not having a gear shift right here. There's a lot more room in the truck. And it's really nice while being stuck in traffic, not having to worry about shifting gears constantly. So I got stuck in some pretty good traffic in Indianapolis. There was an accident. It took me a little while to get through there. Got about 2 hours and 15 minutes left to go to deliver this load. It's that annoying mist on the windshield. Just keeps getting it wet. Tell you what, those air fresheners I put in here, they're working wonderful. All I smell is apple spice. Arrived here at wherever we're at. Arrived here for the delivery, got her all unloaded, and now I'm about to hit the road and head to Russellville, Kentucky. 2 more hours to our pickup. Alright, we finally made it to Russellville, Kentucky. That was a long trip down here with a bunch of backcountry roads, windy roads, narrow. That was not a lot of fun. So, but we made it. Getting loaded up right now, and then we'll be on the home stretch for today. Be headed towards Chalmers, Indiana, and only got about 2 hours left to drive, so we'll be pulling over soon for the night. Alright, my shift is over for the day. I'm all parked up here at Love's in Horse Cave, Kentucky. I was able to finish getting the truck set up. The only thing that I don't have in here yet is the microwave, and it goes right here. I added this LED light. I think it adds a nice ambiance and nice background for my videos whenever I do them from the truck. So yeah, here, check it out. Got the ultra wide lens going on here so you can see the whole sleeper real good here. I'm really liking that LED light strip right there. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me turn the lights off here. Oh yeah. Got the bed all made. Gray, as you can tell, I like gray. The color gray is great. Ha, boom, see what I did there? Anyway, got the nice carpet down here. Of course, I don't have a lot in the storage compartments yet, but there is storage in here. Of course, you've seen the fridge. More storage over here. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know about the white truck, and I did a tour of that, so this is very similar to the white truck. At this desk that slides out here. And we'll go take a look up here at the front of the truck. Of course, you already saw it this morning, but it was dark, so we got this over here, some cleaning supplies. Lots of snacks and whatnots. More snacks and goodies. Yeah, that's what she looks like. And that is gonna do it for me. I'm heading to bed. So, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.